Imagine navigating the intricate labyrinth of the crypto world without a compass. Daunting, isn't it? This is where understanding Delta Exchange comes in. In the fast-paced realm of digital currencies, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye, Delta Exchange serves as an invaluable tool for those who dare to venture into this dynamic landscape. Cryptocurrencies are no longer the future. They are the now, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless other digital assets making headlines daily. Their influence on the global financial ecosystem is growing exponentially. In this vast ocean of opportunities, Delta Exchange emerges as a beacon of guidance, helping traders and investors make sense of the market's ebbs and flows. So, what makes Delta Exchange so crucial in the crypto world? Well, it's a platform that allows you to trade not only in cryptocurrencies, but also their derivatives. This means you can speculate on the rise and fall of crypto prices, potentially profiting from both bullish and bearish market conditions. It's like having a superpower that lets you see opportunities others might miss. But hold on, it's not just about spotting opportunities. It's about making informed decisions, about understanding the risks and rewards, about being in control of your financial destiny. And that's where having a firm grasp of platforms like Delta Exchange really pays off. It helps you navigate the choppy waters of crypto trading with confidence and precision. Not knowing about Delta Exchange and similar platforms is akin to walking into a gold mine without a pickaxe. You're surrounded by opportunities, but you lack the tools to seize them. The world of cryptocurrencies is complex, yes, but it's also filled with vast opportunities for those willing to understand and engage with it. Understanding Delta Exchange is like having a roadmap in the complex world of cryptocurrencies. It's the compass you need to navigate and thrive. So why wander aimlessly when you can stride forward with purpose? The crypto world is waiting. Are you ready to take the plunge? Now that we've established the importance of Delta Exchange, it's time to unravel what it is. Think of it as your one-stop shop for crypto trading. But let's break it down even further to ensure we're all on the same page. Delta Exchange is a platform primarily designed for trading cryptocurrency derivatives. You might ask, what are cryptocurrency derivatives? Well, in the simplest of terms, they are financial contracts whose value is derived from the underlying cryptocurrencies. They allow individuals to speculate on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies without the need to own the actual crypto assets. On Delta Exchange, you can trade a wide range of these derivatives, including futures and options. Futures are agreements to buy or sell a specific amount of a cryptocurrency at a predetermined price on a fixed date in the future. Options, on the other hand, give the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a predetermined price within a specified time frame. Now, one of the key features of Delta Exchange that makes it attractive to traders is the ability to leverage. Leverage allows traders to open positions that are larger than their account balance. It's like having the power to control more money than you actually have in your pocket. This can significantly magnify your potential profits, but remember, it can also amplify your losses. It's a double-edged sword that must be wielded with caution. Another aspect worth mentioning is the variety of cryptocurrencies available for trading on Delta Exchange. Whether you're interested in the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or you're looking to explore lesser-known altcoins, Delta Exchange has got you covered. Furthermore, Delta Exchange is committed to ensuring a secure and seamless trading experience for its users. It employs advanced security protocols and maintains a transparent operating environment so you can focus on what's important, making the most out of your crypto trading. And let's not forget the user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete newbie, navigating through Delta Exchange is a breeze. It's designed in a way that makes it easy to understand and operate, so you can get down to business without any unnecessary hassle. To sum it up, Delta Exchange is more than just a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. It's a comprehensive marketplace that provides you with the tools and opportunities to trade cryptocurrency derivatives. It's an ecosystem where you can leverage your resources, explore a variety of cryptocurrencies, and maximize your potential returns. In essence, Delta Exchange is the marketplace where you can trade crypto derivatives, a tool you can leverage to maximize your crypto investments. So, you've got the basics of Delta Exchange, but how do you engage with it? Well, it's simpler than you might think. First, you'll need to create an account. This is your gateway to the world of cryptocurrency trading. Once you've set up your account, it's time to deposit some cryptocurrency. Whether you're a Bitcoin enthusiast, an Ethereum aficionado, or a lover of Litecoin, Delta Exchange has got you covered. You can choose from a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to begin your trading journey. Now, with your account ready and your cryptocurrency deposited, you're all set to start trading. You can dive right into the thrilling world of crypto derivative trading, where every decision can lead to exciting possibilities. Remember, Delta Exchange is not just about trading, it's about engaging with a dynamic and evolving marketplace. Engaging with Delta Exchange is as simple as creating an account, making a deposit, and beginning your journey in the world of crypto derivative trading. We've embarked on a fascinating journey today, unraveling the mystery of Delta Exchange. As we've learned, it's a vital platform in the vast and intricate universe of cryptocurrencies. It's a place where you can trade digital assets, not just in a straightforward way, but with the added complexity and potential of derivative trading. Understanding Delta Exchange, its functions and how to interact with it is a crucial step in becoming a well-rounded crypto enthusiast or professional. Its significance cannot be understated in the fast-paced, ever-evolving crypto world. It's not just another platform, it's a tool, a weapon in your arsenal, equipping you to navigate the crypto waves with confidence and skill. So, let's not stop here. The world of crypto is vast and there's so much more to explore and learn. If you found this video helpful and want to continue exploring the captivating world of cryptocurrencies with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the crypto world, it's the power to thrive.